Greg.
I'm Leanna.
And I'm Kayla.
Radon!
A history of radon.
Radon was the third discovered radioactive element. It was discovered in 1819 by Frederick Ernst Dorn. In 1910, radon was found to be one of the heaviest gases by Sir William Ramsay and Robert Whitelaw Gray. Then, in 1912, it was finally accepted by the International Commission of Atomic Weights. The first synthesized compound of radon was obtained in 1962 and is radon fluoride. Radon exposure in dwellings was discovered in 1984 in the case of Stanley Watrous. Watrous kept setting off the radon alarms at his work for 2 weeks. They found his house was a source of the problem. The risks of living with radon gas were equal to smoking 135 packs of cigarettes every day. Following this, national radon safety standards were set, and radon detection became a national concern.
Some fun facts about radon.
Radon is one of the heaviest gases at room temperature. It is also colorless at room temperature. When radon is cooled below its freezing point,
202 degrees Kelvin, negative 71 degrees Celsius, and negative 96 degrees Fahrenheit,
it has a brilliant phosphorescence which turns yellow as temperature decreases. Radon becomes an orange-red color at the temperature air liquefies.
93 degrees Kelvin, and negative 180 degrees Celsius.
When it condenses, it glows because of the radiation it produces. Radon exposure is the second leading cause of lung cancer, just after smoking. In the United States, 1 of every 15 homes have high radon levels, Iowa having the highest average concentration of radon. Lung cancer from radon accounts for 15,000 to 22,000 deaths in the U.S. alone. Radon-induced lung cancer is the 6th leading cause of cancer death. Radon often accumulates in the basements of homes, most commonly Iowa and southeastern Pennsylvania.
But Kayla, how do I go about testing for radon?
Well, Greg, you must close all doors and windows for at least 24 hours prior to the start of the test. You must keep them closed as much as possible during the testing. The less fresh air that enters the testing area, the more accurate your results will be. Do not operate fans or ventilation systems that use outside air, such as attic or bathroom fans.
But Kayla, where do I put the radon detectors?
Radon testing should be conducted in the lowest livable level of your home, such as the basement. Make sure your test location is a room where the ProLab professional radon gas detectors will not be exposed to drafts from vents, doors, or windows. Do not place the detectors in a kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. Do not place the detectors in direct sunlight or near any heat source, such as a fireplace or a heater.
Hey, how do I start the test?
Well, first, you'll get this radon data card. You must record the radon unit serial numbers located here, your name, address, test location, the date and exact time you started the test. After filling out this card, put the radon data card and the detector caps in a safe place. You will need them in order to complete the test. The caps from the 2 detectors. Place the 2 uncapped detectors on a flat surface, at least 2 feet above the floor and 3 feet from any outside wall. The detectors should be placed 6 inches apart from each other. Allow the radon gas detectors to remain uncapped for 4 days, or 96 hours. Once the radon gas detectors have been placed, do not remove them until the entire 96-hour testing period is complete.
Look, we've got mail!